have competitors from St. Anne to St. Mary, Manchester, St. Thomas, Clarendon, St. James, Kingston and St. Andrew, St. Catherine. Our gyms, as we know, are not just places of sweat and exertion. They are the incubators of dreams and the birthplaces of transformation. With over 20 gyms participating, we now see a tapestry of dedication woven across the fitness landscape. Our gyms that are participating include Classic Body Fitness, Express Fitness, Fit Farm Fitness Club, Frano Fitness, Fusion Fitness Center, Gym Alfresco, Harden Fitness Factory, Island Body Fitness, Jambo Fitness, JDF Gym, Myers Fitness Center, Pump It Up Fitness, Sachel's Gym, Spot On Fitness, and Top Fitness Kingston, each of those representing a community of like-minded individuals who inspire and commit to one another. Again, as we gear up for this remarkable event, I encourage you all to seize the opportunity to be a part of this celebration. Tickets for the National Championship are only $4,000 available at most of our gym partners, Express Fitness, Island-wide, Fit Farm Fitness Club, Classic Body Fitness, and Top Fitness. Ladies and gentlemen, the National Championship and Fitness Expo, powered and again adopted and nurtured by Mayberry Investment and our other partners. It's not just a competition, it is a showcase, it is a graduation ceremony, it is a tribute to unity and a testament to the spirit of human potential.